Is the Wolfbox G900 Pro the clearest, smartest dash cam experience you can get? That's what we're going to find out today as we put this brand new dash cam to the test. It offers voice control, a waterproof IP67 rear camera, and what might just be the clearest night vision on the market. There's also a parking monitor if you use the hardwire kit, collision detection, and touchscreen control. So let's go ahead and take a look at what's inside the box. I do have to tell you, I'm very excited about this. I have tested probably 5 or 6 different dash cameras, and this one is very, very different. And you're going to see just how different when I remove this right here. Look at that. Yes, this fits right over your rear view mirror. Yep, this is a 12-inch rear view camera. It attaches very easily with a couple of straps right on the bottom there. This is your front camera right here, 4K or 8 megapixels, whichever you prefer. You can have it displayed just like a regular rear view mirror. You can also have it display just the rear camera, or you can split the screen in half and see what's in front of you and what's behind you. And also in the box, you have all kinds of wiring that's going to get the job done. This is actually your rear view camera right here, and they do give you a lot of cable. So no matter what kind of a car you drive, this is going to reach to the back of the vehicle and then up to the front part, so it'll plug right in. But look at that. This is a 4 megapixel camera. We also have your power system right here. This is going to plug right into your power point. You get another, this is the GPS antenna. So yes, this does have GPS. It has speed detection as well. And these are the straps that you use to attach it to your rear view mirror. So you also get the attachment tool to kind of push the cables up under your headliner, and then they give you little attachment points to kind of guide your cable if you don't want it or there's nowhere for it to go. You can attach it to these things right here, and it's going to keep it where it is supposed to be. So let's go ahead and get this thing attached, and I'll tell you more. She's all attached, and I got to tell you, I really like it. This is a gigantic mirror. Look at that. I still have the screen protector on this, but I'll peel this off. And look at how clear that is. Look at that. Don't pay attention to the garage. Just look at how clear this screen is. 12 inches. That is bigger than my regular rearview mirror. And because this is an old car, this is a 1997 Mercedes S500, my favorite car of all time. And I've had probably 80 different cars, because the YouTube channel, of course, is about cars. But for the first time, I have a rearview mirror, or a rear view camera. Look at this. So this has voice control. So let's say show front camera. There you go. And you can scroll up and down. Up and down, up and down. Okay. Let's say I want to show rear camera. So I'm backing up somewhere and I would need to know where I'm going. This is going to give me exactly what I need right here. And this automatically knows what time it is. I can also say, turn off recording. See, she's no longer recording. And as you can see right there, we have 4K and 2.5K. So 4K is 8 megapixel in the front, 2.5K is 4 megapixel in the back. And if there's any kind of a smudge, it's because it's raining out here, okay? It is that clear. Under window tint, the camera is behind window tint, and it looks that clear, and there are raindrops everywhere. That is so cool. You can also say, take picture. And I just saved a picture on the SD card, which is right here. Okay, it's 128 gigabyte, I think, if I remember right, for the SD card. Now, you can download the video. It's 5.8G Wi-Fi. There is an app I will show you here in a couple of seconds. And there's also a G sensor that locks crucial video during collisions, and the parking mode will watch over your vehicle when it's parked. But for parking mode, you have to have the hardwire. Okay, this is something they sent me. This is, I don't know how many, 20, 30 feet of cable if I wanted to put this in a mobile home or a motor home or a van. I mean, this is a ton of cable for your rear view camera. And then they also gave me right here, this is your hardwire kit. So this is everything you need. This will hardwire right into your fuse box, okay? So you have complete instructions right here. They give you another tool right here. You have 3 or 4 different types of fuses that this will, go into depending on the vehicle that you have. You have a very long wiring system, and they have even more ways. So I don't know how many. There's like 6 or 7 different kinds of fuses that you can tie this thing into if you want this to protect your vehicle when it's parked. So let's say you have your vehicle parked, someone comes along and hits it, the G sensor is going to record everything. So as they drive away, you're going to know what happened. And you have a video proof of exactly what happened, and you will definitely need that in court. So I would highly recommend hardwiring your system, okay? If you're going to keep this in your car for a long, long time, and I really think I am, because this is so clear. And just the size of this, and of course, it's touchscreen. So you can, look, you can change how bright it is and everything. You can go front and back split. You have settings. Look at all this. Display modes. You can change the way that it's displayed. You have sound record, loop recording. You can adjust the G sensor. They even have a fatigue reminder. I guess it's kind of will alert you after an hour or 2. So you're driving somewhere along alone and you don't want to get tired. Turn this on and it's going to, help keep you awake. We'll go back over here. Volume, Wi-Fi, screensaver, screen brightness, exposure, voice control, mirror flip, rear cam flip. Oh, so if you install it upside down, you can just flip it. No big deal. Reversing line. So as you back up, we'll go to we'll do that. Okay. As you back up, it's going to tell you where. It's just like a rear view camera on a new car. That's something I haven't experienced with this old car right here. We have speed units. So we are in miles per hour right there. Change the language, time zone, time format, clock setting, help center, all kinds of things. And if you just want to go back to the camera, there you go. I love it. Hey, let me show you the rear view camera too, because this is pretty cool. So here's the rear camera right here. And look, they give you a special bracket that you can adjust to whatever angle your windshield is at. Okay, so this is your rear windshield, your rear glass. Some of them are really steep, some of them are flat, and you can adjust the angles on this bracket. And this has the adhesive piece right here that attaches to the glass. That's brilliant. Just the fact that you can change this, fantastic. Here's an example of what you get on the Wolfbox app for the G900 Pro. This is where you can download and save video on your phone. At the top of the screen, the actual footage that was recorded. And then at the bottom is the GPS information. You can see your precise location and just how fast you were going. Saving the video is as easy as selecting the clip and then downloading it to your phone. And because it's 5.8G Wi-Fi, it downloads really fast. Now to the video. Here you can see just how clear these images are despite the rainy weather. The front 8 megapixel camera makes everything sharper than ever before. And if you look at the bottom left of your screen, you can see the G900 Pro provides the GPS location, the speed, the date, and even the time. The rear camera is equally as nice. This is a 4 megapixel camera that does an amazing job. Plus, remember, on this video, the camera is shooting through a tinted window and raindrops. And still, the video is super sharp. Nighttime recording is amazingly sharp as well. This is thanks to enhanced low-light performance and Starvis 2 technology that offers improved sensitivity, wider dynamic range, and low power consumption. All in all, the quality of the front and rear cameras on the G900 Pro is the best I've seen. And that's gonna do it on the Wolfbox G900 Pro, baby. Pro, yeah, this thing is completely amazing. And I gotta tell you, this one is staying put. I have removed, I don't even know, 3 or 4 different dash cams in all these vehicles, and I just put the best one on and I leave it on. So this one is staying right here in this car because I want the G900 Pro to protect me and my old Mercedes, my investment, my daily driver, the car that I really want to protect. If you want to get some more information on the G900 Pro, we're going to have it right for you. It's in the description box below. If they can give me a discount code, I will pass it on to you. But I got to tell you, for the money, and it's a little over $300, it is definitely worth it. The first time you use it, if someone hits you, and you have the proof, it's going to pay for itself over and over and over. So definitely check out the Wolfbox G900 Pro. It's really amazing.